Not entirely sure what WordPress categories and tags are or when to use them? Hi, I'm Julia Taylor, CEO and founder of GeekPack. If you're using WordPress for blogging, then you've probably seen the category and tag options in the menu or the sidebar. And if you found yourself here, then it is likely because you don't know what they are, when to use them, how to use them, and what the difference is. So let's start with what they are. Categories are used as general labels, and it's a way to group posts together that are in a similar category. Tags, on the other hand, are used to describe specific details in an individual post. How else are they different? Categories have a hierarchy, which allows you to have subcategories, whereas tags do not have a hierarchy. You must always use a category, and if you don't, it will be automatically assigned. Are you familiar with the default category, uncategorized? Which, by the way, if you want to know how to change that, check out my video on WordPress hidden features. Where categories are mandatory, tags are completely optional. So those are the main differences between them. Pretty straightforward. Now, how do you use them? Let's say you have a travel blog. Categories could be the country. So you'll have England and France and Italy. And then the subcategories could be cities within those countries. So for France, we could have Paris and Nice. Now, when it comes to using the tags, you would be a lot more specific about the post. So let's say you have a blog post that's called 10 Best Cafes in Paris. So the category would be France, the subcategory would be Paris, and the tags could be food, drink, local eats. Same thing if you have a blog post called 5 Best Tourist Attractions in Paris. Category and subcategory would be the same, so France and Paris. But for the tags, you wouldn't use food and drink. You'd probably use tourist attraction or Eiffel Tower or something more specific to that post. So both categories and tags have their specific uses, but how you use them is up to you. Some people have a really complex hierarchy structure, and some people don't have anything at all. I hope you found that useful. If you would like to learn more about WordPress features, check out my video on the difference between pages and posts.